Thinking about buying the best hair clipper or electric shaver but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right grooming tool can be challenging. Some models focus on powerful motors and ultra-sharp blades, while others offer longer battery life, cordless convenience, and professional barber-level performance. In today's video, I've researched customer reviews, ratings, and key features to bring you the top 5 best hair clippers and electric shavers 2026. Whether you're looking for the perfect beard trimmer, bald head shaver, or professional hair clipper for home or barbershop use, this list has something for you. Make sure to watch until the end to discover which model offers the best value and performance for your grooming needs. At number 5 is the Vintage Cordless Hair Clipper by XMSJ, a stylish grooming tool that combines classic design with modern performance. Its durable stainless steel blades deliver smooth, precise haircuts, while the powerful vibrating motor ensures consistent cutting power. Enjoy up to 85 minutes of cordless runtime on a single charge, with USB fast charging for added convenience. The interchangeable guide combs make it easy to achieve different hair lengths, making it perfect for home use or professional barbers. If you want a reliable, portable, and budget-friendly hair clipper, this is an excellent choice. Item number 4 is the ROSYOUS RS620, a powerful electric shaver designed for fast, smooth, and professional grooming. Its 10,000 RPM high-speed motor and double foil shaving system deliver an ultra-close, comfortable shave while reducing skin irritation. With up to 120 minutes of cordless runtime after just 2.5 hours of charging, it's perfect for home use or travel. The durable steel blades and lightweight design make trimming quick and effortless. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance electric shaver with excellent value, the ROSYOUS RS620 is definitely worth considering. Item number 3 is this multifunctional rechargeable electric shaver, built for men who want fast, comfortable, and hassle-free daily grooming. Its ergonomic design delivers a close, smooth shave, while minimizing skin irritation for maximum comfort. With multiple grooming attachments, it's ideal for shaving your head, trimming your beard, and maintaining a clean, polished look. The rechargeable battery provides cordless convenience, and the lightweight, portable design makes it perfect for home, office, or travel. If you're looking for an all-in-one grooming solution at a great value, this electric shaver is an excellent choice. Item number 2 is the Kemei KM-2299 and KM-T366 2-in-1 professional hair clipper set, designed for precision, power, and versatility. Featuring sharp stainless steel blades and a high-performance 7,500 RPM motor, it delivers smooth, accurate haircuts and beard trims with ease. The Type-C fast charging system provides reliable cordless performance, while multiple guide combs let you create everything from ultra-short fades to longer styles. Suitable for both home users and professional barbers, this all-in-one grooming kit offers excellent convenience, durability, and value, making it one of the best hair clipper sets you can buy. Item number 1 takes the crown as the multifunctional 9-blade floating electric shaver, delivering a true barbershop quality grooming experience at home. Its advanced 9D floating blade system effortlessly adapts to the contours of your head and face, providing an ultra-close, smooth shave with maximum comfort. The versatile 6-in-1 design allows you to shave your head, trim your beard, groom your nose and ears, and maintain a fresh, polished look using one convenient device. Rechargeable, lightweight, and travel-friendly, it's built for everyday performance. If you're looking for the most complete, powerful, and value-packed grooming kit, this is our number 1 recommendation.